What's going on, guys? Cam 6 TV here. Today we are at the pick and pull. As you guys know, 4L60 in my truck is 34 band is totally gone. So I'm over here sourcing some transmissions. I'm looking for a 4L60 out of a 2003 to the 2006 Tahoe, Suburban, Silverado, and anything with a 5.3 or 4.8 rear wheel drive in it. I found three candidates actually. This one, I'm gonna check it. It looks like somebody's been in there, but I just want to see what's it like. The fluid smells pretty good. There's another one, but it's pretty crowded where it's at. And the other one is like a 4.8. So definitely looking at the 2003 right here and the 2004 Tahoes, because not a lot of people think they're interchangeable. So, you know, I might get lucky. There's one here and there's one right there. That one definitely is the one I want to go with. It's a little bit like messy and oily down there. I want to pull the pan off of this one and let's go. So let's go. All right, guys, so I'm underneath the 2003, the same red one I showed you guys. I'm about to pull off the pan. I got 2 more bolts remaining on there. I really hope this is a good transmission. Hopefully I don't see anything weird. I do see a little bit of fresh fluid in it, so if it's fresh fluid, I'm not taking it, because that means it's an indication somebody was already in there. The pan does look different, so that could be a good thing. It could be a good thing as in it was maintained and everything. This vehicle is not wrecked whatsoever, so I don't know why it's here, but I hope it's a good transmission, because this is the perfect candidate right now. It's in like a good position. It's in the shade. The puller's right there, dude. It's literally like, God, if you're looking at me, please help me out with this one. All right, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. So this is the bottom of the 4L60. It looks like somebody already took the starter out. Hopefully it's just for the starter. They weren't inspecting the transmission. These bolts, I took them off. Got 1 and 2 back there left, and let's hope and pray that this fluid is not fresh, but it's still good and there's no metallic material in it, because this is the transmission I need. It is in a Tahoe, but it's the same exact transmission. The rear wheel drive, the tail housing is the same length and everything. So cross fingers, this is what I need. So with no further ado, let's go. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it's a reman that's in here. You know, it looks like it's been touched. Or if you look back there at the tail housing, it looks like a reman. So if it is, that'd be great. All right, so got the pan out. It looks really good inside here. Check that out. That looks really good. Now, here's the pan. All right, I'm gonna have to dump it. So look, I don't see that much clutch material. It just looks pretty normal. But yeah, I don't know if somebody was in here recently. I hope not. But it looks really good. What I'm gonna do to test this out, I'm gonna pull off probably the A and B solenoid, and I see what comes out of there. That's the only way we could check, because that's for first, second, third, and fourth right there. So what I'm gonna do is let this pan drain a little bit. I got the cherry picker out here. So what I'm gonna do is let it drain. And let's see if we see any metal. And then I'm gonna take off this solenoid real quick and check. We're letting it drain. If we see any streaks of metal, we know we think, but I think I got myself a reman transmission right here. So now let's start working on getting these bell hosing out, getting it out, but I gotta support this and bring it up so I can get all these back here. There's 21s, the 15s, everything. So let's go, bro. Let me pull up this solenoid right back here and see. All right, before I get a little too excited, because it seems like a good candidate right here. It seems like it was rebuilt. I don't see any clutch material. That's normal wear. That's normal right there. That's not that much sludge. Maybe a little bit of thing, but dude, this looks good. The filter looks good. Before I get too curious, got too carried away. Let's go to the. So look, it's been hit. It's been hit right here, passenger side. It doesn't take much to total out these cars, but you gotta get in that glove box. There's a reason why. Please be a M30, 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 M30. Where you at? M30, baby. We got it. M30. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Where's it? M30. Yeah, baby. We got one. Yeah, it's hit. Yes. Let's go. All right. So I just confirmed I got an M30. My truck has an M30 also. This is a 2003, mine is a 2006. It will work. Belt housing is the same. The tail shaft, the length is the same. It's a rear wheel drive. No metal. But let's pull that solenoid. I'm pulling off number 1 and 2. And then I'm gonna pull off 2 and 3. So if I pull off 1 and 2 and there's metal in there, I'm walking away. But dude, let's go. Come on. Please, 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 no metal. You have no idea how happy I am to find one that's actually good. All right, we're good. No metal. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Now, let me pop off number 2 and 3 now. I'm still swapping over my solenoids though. I'm from my truck. Okay, that was 1 and 2. Let me pop off 2 and 3 now. I mean 3 and 4. Those are for the bands. All right. And if anything, I can always return it, but I know this transmission is good. It looks brand new, literally, like it's a reman. Come on. Come on, baby. You're mine already. Let's go. This is the sucky part about not having a jack, but safety reasons. So, yeah. Come on. Don't mess up the pump, though. That's so bad for the pump. there's no jack, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, baby. 4L60, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Chicken winter dinner. Now it's the bell housing time. Torque converter, I mean. Alright. Now, 13 millimeter. Yikes. Yeah, the engine's locked up. That's why it's here. Oh, man. It's a V8 too, so that ain't gonna help. All right, guys, there we go. 45 minutes later, got the transmission out, got the bell housing out. I really don't like the sound of it. It's like, I don't like the way it sounds, so it's a little thing.